What's going on, mga boys? What's going on YouTube? Another unboxing episode. This is the TPOB Yeti. This was sent to me by the Piece of Barber, so shout out to you, brother. Thank you very much. This is not yet available, but we are lucky to have this Yeti first, so we can share our review or our thoughts about this TPOB Yeti. So let's check the box. So this is the packaging of this TPOB Yeti. This is the front. So at the front of this TPOB Yeti, you will see all the key features of this clipper. So of course, you have the three interchangeable lids, the pink, the black, and the green, the slime green. Okay, it has a Type-C, USB, DLC fade blade, and this is a microchip magnetic motor. You have the TPOB brand, the model, again, TPOB Yeti. So at the back of this box, so it has a 9-volt microchip magnetic motor which runs at 10,000 RPM while still offering 2 hours of continuous runtime. So it has a TPOB X Diamond carbon fade blade which stays cooler and rust free longer. Charging stand with USB Type-C connection. Of course, 3 interchangeable covers, includes screwdriver for body kit changes and blade adjustments. So come with 6 lime green magnetic. So of course you can check the website or the official website of the Piece of Barber, thepieceofbarber.com, and of course social media, Instagram at the Piece of Barber, and of course Facebook at TPOB. Of course, if you visit the website, the official website, we have a 15% discount using my code SAMPITS. So again, I'll be posting every details on the description. I'll be writing them everything, the discount code, the links, so please read the description. So, and if you want to support this channel, then please use my discount codes or my affiliate links. So thank you very much. So this is again a magnetic, just like the other TPOB products. This is a magnetic box, and this is the product, and of course the design, the cartoon design. So if you follow the Piece of Barber Facebook or Instagram, you will see all the barber memes or the cartoons that he's posting. So again, you have the black, the pink, and the green one. So the standard or the stock that came is with the green one. So this is the clipper. As you can see, not so heavy, but it has a weight. So but let's check first what's inside on this box. So you will get this. Okay, so if you open the box, you have the instructions manual. So you have the USB Type-C for charging, and I have one extra cam follower here. This is actually a single magnetic card. So let's check. It's 1 to 4. Of course, you have brush. So okay, this is very premium plastic. So you have these half guards. This is the A and B, meaning A is the 0.5 and this is the 1.5. So again, very clean, very clean. So again, this TPOB Yeti clipper comes with a charging dock, which is, this is a Type-C, and you also have a Type-C connection here at the back. So these are the extra covers or the extra lids. So you can choose whatever you want. You have this pink with transparent. You have this matte black, this is kind of rubberized. It's very good, it's not slippery. And a slime green cover with a TPOB, And this one has already the slime green. This is a little bit shiny, but if you want something rubberized, then you might want to use the black one. This one is good, because I can feel it. It's kind of rubberized, unlike this is very so this one is very smooth. just like the pink one. Or you might want to ask, can I change the cover or the thumb rest of this clipper? So we will check. So how do we do this? Okay, you need to pop up so you need to push this, then you can remove the cover of this clipper. So again, how to put it back? Okay, insert the lid, the cover. So then push. So let's try this. Okay. Very stable. This is the switch. Okay, you have this metal design on this switch, and you have this. Okay, this is a plastic lever with a 5-click position, first, second, third to the 5th. So you have this blade TPOB X. This is a DLC blade with this cutter blade, which is also DLC. So you have this double DLC blade. So this is the back of this clipper. So you have this ergonomic design where your finger rests, and the branding. It is 100 to 240 volts, of course 50 to 60 hertz, and this is a 10-watt clipper. So this is the charging port, which is type C. Okay, using this cable you can charge this on your power bank or any USB port, you know. Okay, so while charging this clipper, the LED light will blink, and once it's fully charged, then the LED light will stays on. So let's make a run test of this clipper. So this is a very quiet clipper, you know, just like all magnetic clippers. So this is not yet zero gap. This is out in the box. This is the gap of this. So of course you can zero gap this blade, and this is the range of this opening of these blades. Very standard. Okay, so let's try to stop this. This is a very powerful magnetic motor, you know. You can barely stop this. Okay, but of course let's try the guards of this clipper. This is a very strong magnet. This one is single, but it has strong magnets, you know. This will not fall actually, you know, because you have this design that secures the blade, you know. So there is no chance of falling this clipper. So this is the TPOB Yeti. This is not yet out, like I said, but maybe in 1 or 2 weeks this will be available on the website or maybe on Amazon US. So if you are going to buy on website, then you can use my discount code SAMPITS. At least you get a 15% discount. And of course, thank you very much for using my code and affiliate links. Really appreciate your help and support. So let's try this clipper. Let's check the big view. First, I wanna feel again. I need a couple friends. I never really understood just how the story ends, but I can feel it's tense. Don't know the consequence. The volatility of life, my only confidence. Is this an argument or just the start of it? Either way, I don't wanna be a part of it. Can I just get some space? I don't have the heart for this. I can't be picking up the pieces, fixing scars from this. Is this an argument or just the start of it? I wanna drive away so I can be so far from it. I wanna find a place where no one breaks their promises, or maybe drown myself in something that is bottomless. Take me back to a place where I felt at home. Take me back to a day when we weren't alone. Take me back to an age when the world felt small, way back before we blew it all. Take me back to a place where I felt at home. Take me back to a day when we weren't alone. Take me back to an age when... Ako, pahaba rin akong buhok nun nung tinutugtog pa ako. So, wala na, tinigil na. Take me back to a place where I felt at home.
Take me back to a day when we weren't alone. Take me back to an age when the world felt small. Way back before we blew it all. Take me back to a place where I felt at home. Take me back to a day when we weren't alone. Take me back to an age when the world felt small. Way back before we blew it all. Too many things going on, I can't keep track of them all. From people dropping a bomb to people putting up walls. I feel like I can somehow protect me stuck in a fall. I know they're taunting me off, but I'm a solid fall. It's like it's really a start when there's no shelter to hide. When everything is a lie, you'll find that out in some time. But when the things on your mind are all considered aside, communication aside, we're all just like is this an argument or just a start of it? Either way, I don't wanna be a part of it. Can I just get some space? I don't have the heart for this. I can't be picking up the pieces, fixing stuff from there. Is this an argument or just the start of it? I wanna drive away so I can be so far from it. I wanna find a place where no one breaks their promise.
So again, after using this TPOB Yeti, my first impression is very, it was a great clipper, So I think this one is more like Babyliss weight. Okay, yeah. So again, thank you for watching. So again, if you want to buy any TPOB products on the official website, you can use my discount code SAMPITS, so you will get 15% discount, and of course you are supporting my channel. So again, thank you for watching. SAMPITS the Barber signing out. God bless.